Hi traders, this is Srinivas. We are going to talk about the SEBI new committee recommendations and what the finance minister spoke. And few days before, finance minister she said futures and options. Is it for middle class? If you look at it geographically, even in Telangana, multimillionaires will not be having any shares. But you go to Gujarat, even the middle class people will having more shares worth like 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs. There are three types of people in the market. One is hedgers. Those who have some positions, they are being the hedging. Second one is arbitrage. They buy one place and they sell at another place. The difference is in their pocket. And the third one is speculators. So, no matter what the government does, and if you are taking any measures against the speculators, nobody is going to the question, right? It is their problem. But however, there are people, even the middle class people, who are holding shares. Say for example, I am having a shares worth 5 lakhs in Reliance Industry. If I want to sell a call option for hedging, even no matter how much Reliance goes up, I have nothing to lose because of shares to give delivery. Now, the SEBI proposes the lot size should be increased to 20, 25 lakhs, 30 lakhs. Then, if I am holding shares only for 5 lakhs worth Reliance, how can I sell a call option and how can I do a covered call? So, therefore, this logic F&O is only not for the middle class. I can understand there are so many people, forget about middle class, even lower middle class, they come and do option buying just like a lottery ticket buying. Now remember, whatever steps which has been taken by the government, it always only affects the option sellers. It will never affect the option buyers. What measure has been given for option sellers? They keep on increasing the margin. They keep on increasing the lot size. Of course, lot size increase is also going to affect the buyer. But the thing is, if the buyer buying option, assume that there is a lot size is 100. If option buyer is having only 2000 rupees, he will go and buy a call option where it is the trading at 20 rupees. 100 rupees into 20, it will become 2000. If tomorrow lot size increase from 100 to 500, if he is having that same 2000 rupees, he is still going to speculate. But because the lot size is 500, he will go and buy a call option where it is trading at 4 rupees. So, but the seller only pay a margin money. Say for example, if you want to sell a one call option for Bank Nifty or Nifty, the margin is about 1 lakh. If the lot size increase by 5 times, from 1 lakh to he has to pay 5 lakhs rupees. So whatever measures are taken by the government or SEBI or exchanges, they are all only targeting the option sellers. They are not targeting the option buyers. And SEBI has come out with the report about 90% of the people lose money in the stock market, right? But if the SEBI can come out with more accurate analysis out of this 90, how many are option buyers and how many are option sellers? So that can give you a better picture. Otherwise, no matter what action you take, it is not going to affect you. If you don't have any control over the buyers, you don't put any restriction on the buyer, you keep on putting the restriction on sellers. What is going to be happen? Option sellers are just like money lenders. What is the nature of money lenders? We are doing a business. I can lend you the money. No matter what you do is up to you. As long as I am giving 1 lakh rupee, if I am getting 1000 rupees per month, I am getting 12% returns per annum. I am very happy. So that same way, the option sellers, they put the margin money on the table and they will be happy. So if I put 1 lakh of margin money on the table, if I am getting 1000 rupees as the premium, I am happy because I am making 1%. If tomorrow the margin money is increased to 2000 rupees, if the premium is 1000, I will not sell. I will expect 2000. More and more option sellers will be getting out of the market, but the buyers will always be there. So this will create a demand mismatch. My suggestion is that if anybody's family is complaining, he should be banned from trading. If anybody losing for more than 3 years, he should be banned. Or at least they must know the complete risk and reward. They should have a complete knowledge about options and then some kind of a educational qualification. I am not talking about like MBBS or BTech requirement, but in this particular field, they should acquire some knowledge before they are coming to markets. So that kind of things to do. Then it will affect the buyers also, and then hopefully the buyers will come down. Then only futures and options volume will come down. Otherwise, there may be 1,000 people coming with 5,000 rupees, 1,000 for option buying. One guy may come with 100 crores and for option selling, then he takes away everything. So if you look at the statistics, the 1,000 rupees will be losing and only one person will be winning. But the point is, who is losing here? Option sellers or option buyers? And who is more speculators here? Now, I will give you one more example. Let us say I bought Reliance Industries shares about 5 lakhs. Now, 10th month is going on. The prices are appreciated very much. I want to sell the Reliance share. But if I sell the share, I may have to pay 20% capital gain tax. But if I sell after 1 year, now first 1.25 lakh is exempted from capital gain tax, right? Let us say I bought it 5 lakhs. They said 20% appreciation. That means 1 lakh profit is there. But the thing is, I have to pay 20% capital gain tax. When the people ask me this kind of question, what I should tell? You just take 1 lot future short position in that same Reliance Industries and hold it for another 2 months. After 2 months, the square of the cash position and also square of the F&O position also. Then what will happen? Now Reliance Industries shares you are holding for more than 1 year. It is not less than 1 year. So you can escape the capital gain tax. So this is the hedging. But now if the lot size is increased to 25 lakhs rupees, but he is holding shares only 5 lakhs rupees, then how can he sell one future for 5 lakhs? Therefore, lot size will become 25 lakhs. Therefore, most of the people who lose here money, they are mostly option buyers. And so far, in the last 15 years, no action has been taken to bring down the interest in option buying, right? SEBI should come out with some idea. Then they should discourage the option buyers instead of discouraging the option sellers. In fact, last time SEBI may consider charging higher margin for intraday traders. I think now they are proposing that, okay, if you are planning to trade one day before our expiry day, you may have to pay higher margin money. So that is really something is good. We have to do something to reduce the speculation in the market. Even in US market, if you have a cash position in portfolio, if you are selling a call option, there is no margin money because it is a hedge position. But in India, they pay margin money. Now, the problem is that you have to pay more already. We have to pay more margin money coming closer to last 3 or 4 trading sessions. Due to the physical delivery, the brokers increase the margin. Now they will increase the margin even higher. That actually we should help the people to hedge their positions. We should discourage the people from speculation. This is my opinion on SEBI and government decisions. I hope you understand this my video. Thank you for watching.